In this SIP certified tutorial, we are going to show you how to calculate your total water and nitrogen use at your vineyard. Once you've logged in, click Get Started. Then select the property that you want to submit answers for. I'm going to click Wine Grower number 2. Scroll down to Chapter 14, Urine, Water, and Nitrogen Use Reports. Here, you need to assign ranch groups. You want to click Add Group and give it any kind of a name. Click Submit. Under assigned ranches, this is where if you have multiple ranches, you can either answer their water and nitrogen use separately by adding only one at a time and clicking Save, and then you'll add another ranch group, or you can do them all in one place by adding them all together. Click Save. That brings you back to the main page, and you want to click Submit Answers. So this chapter is in 3 different sections. You want to start out with your general parameters by entering in the number of acres that you have and also the yield in tons. The other handy thing on this page is the Water and Nitrogen Use Report workbook. If you download this, it's going to help you run through all of the calculations to answer your water and nitrogen use. So once you have this report open, the first tab will cover the instructions. So any information that you have, you are going to answer in the yellow boxes, and the responses that you're going to put back into the SIP certified database are going to come out of the pink boxes. An example in general parameters is we would enter in the number of acres, which we said was 32, and then you also have your tons. Now, this is intended to mean tons that came off of the entire ranch, but say you assumed that it meant tons per acre and put in 2 instead. What the database is going to do is pop up this little note that says, hey, it looks like this response is outside of the norm. So pay attention to these messages when they come up and double check your responses. This workbook also includes calculations for irrigation, frost water, the water use report, compost, and nitrogen use, all of which are going to come back into the database and be entered in these fields. Make sure you click Save and Continue as you go through calculating your water and nitrogen use.